I'm going to show you a delicious chili and tomato prawn pici pasta. This is the combination of perfection. This is the kind of recipe my friends always call me and say, Miguel, how was the pici pasta again? Because it's such a simple pasta with so much flavor. You see, already, that just looks so good. And it's when you're gonna put all your liquids. We're gonna go the eggs and just crack them straight in the middle. Nice free-range eggs, whisk away. And now, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Deliciousness. Already, you got like a nice uniform mix, and it slowly start to look like a pasta dough. So you have to touch it, feel it. And now slowly your fingers, don't want to overwork it. See how this dough, from that white color, start to look really nice and yellow. Knead it until it becomes nice and smooth. Oh my God, this is so quick. And you almost look at the pasta and say, Miguel, when is it ready? When you push, it springs back. Ladies and gentlemen, to pasta or not to pasta? That is the question. You wrap it all up, and now that it's nice and ready, we put it in the fridge for 1 hour and ready to roll. Drop it like it's hot. I'm gonna use a little bit of flour, not too much. So you roll it a little bit, you stretch it. You don't wanna go too thin. This is as simple as that. Just use your hands. And you take your time, put a little bit of the semolina, and there you have it. Pici pasta, and that is ready to rock. So I'll see you in 1 hour because I need to roll 100 of them. Pasta is ready for the sauce. It's some tomatoes out of the fridge. Grate a tomato. And what is left in there, the best of the tomato, the flesh, the juices. So you're gonna get all the amazing prawns and the shells, and I'm gonna start to fry them slightly. That's ready to rock in there. The garlic all chopped up. The chili goes in. It's getting that golden brown color. I'm gonna season it. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. There you go. The wine. So that needs to be hot. Oh. This comes to the boil. We'll start crushing the prawns with a little bit more oil. Oh, this smells like heaven. Now, when they get all orange and beautiful, we put a little bit of water so we can capture almost in a little bit of a stock. Oh, come on. Cooking is all about timing. So this is reducing, the water is boiling. Now we're gonna time everything together, and we're in business. Don't waste any of that. So all that flavor is in there. Lots of salt like the Mediterranean, the prawn tails. So we just gonna cook them through, but don't shake them too much so they don't kill. The sauce is reduced, it's got lots of body. And while this is happening, it's all about timing, right? Get your pici, okay, in the boiling water. Oh, I wish you could smell this, the chili, the garlic. Okay, the pasta is nearly ready. Remember, so it's keeps thicker, okay? So it requires a little bit more time of cooking. So a little bit of butter. The butter is gonna give the body, the basil. A mantecare is an Italian technique of, with a bowl, trying to emulsify all the water with the sauce, the olive oil, and the butter. And all in. Ladies and gentlemen. Mantecare! Look at this. Make sure you choose the prawns now. Ooh. OMG. Some of my favorite pasta in the world. Season, let's go for the taste test. Pasta a la vista, baby.